Hello fam, welcome back to our channel. A lot of drama happened in Imo State between Rogers Okorocha, the sitting senator, and the governor of Imo State, that's Hope Uzodinma, over properties being acquired by the former governor of Imo State, now a senator. Lots of drama, so many people calling the kettle black, so many reactions. But right now, we're actually looking at what the Igbo youth have planned to do. About 1 million of them have planned to go on protest over. In fact, there's a lot of tussle right now, so to speak. Another group also have made their stand known. Ohaneze Youth in Igbo has also made their stand very known. And the chairperson, the president of Southeastern Governors Forum, David Umahi, has also made his opinion also known. But before we go into the news proper and to combine all of this and do a proper analysis on this, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, let's start with the coalition of Southeast youth leaders, that's COSEYL, the umbrella body of all the youth organizations in the Southeast geopolitical zone, will mobilize 1 million of his members to lawfully occupy the streets and roads to demand for the immediate arrest and prosecution of the former governor of Imo State, Rogers Okorocha, for criminally converting the Eastern Palm University EPU Oboko, which was solely built with the state funds, to his personal property. This kind of fraud is too alarming to be swept under the carpet. Okorocha took the good people of Imo State for granted by converting the people's patrimony to his private property, and he must be punished for such an act of corruption. We call on Governor Hope Uzodinma to immediately expedite action on this EPU matter so that the law can take its full course. The Eastern Palm University EPU is just a tip of the iceberg of massive corruption perpetrated by Okorocha during his tenure as governor from 2011 to 2019. Okorocha's time to account for his stewardship to the people is now. We urge the state government to beam its searchlight on the so-called Ministry of Enjoyment and Entertainment. I even forgot to mention happiness. Let's continue. Other parastatals and agencies which he used to siphon the state resources for his personal use. The law is no respecter of persons, and Okorocha must face the music of his gross abuse of office when he had sway as governor. We call on all our youth, men and women, to come out en masse for a protest on Wednesday, the 24th of March, 2021. I take that again. On Wednesday, the 24th of March, 2021, in Owerri, to demand for the immediate prosecution of Rogers Okorocha over the unlawful conversion of Eastern Palm University EU to his private property, and for his gross abuse of office and massive corruption perpetrated during his tenure. We commend Governor Hope Uzodinma for his zero tolerance for corruption, and we urge him never to relent in his determination to ensure that Imo State is in the path of development and progress. We therefore urge all and sundry to support and rally round Governor Hope Uzodinma as he takes the state to greater heights. Signed, Honorable Goodluck Ibim, President General. Comrade Kanis Igwe, Secretary General. Now look at another group entirely now. Still in the same state, same South geopolitical zone, but different analogy. Now, let's look at Ohaneze Igbo youth. On Monday, they condemned in strong terms the arrest of the former governor of Imo State, Senator Rogers Okorocha. Okorocha was arrested by the operative of Imo State Police Command on the order of Governor Hope Uzodinma of Imo State. This has been seen as the height of the ongoing power tussle between the two political leaders in Imo State, who are both members of the ruling All Progressive Congress APC. In a statement issued on Monday morning by OYC President General Mazi Oku Nabuike, he said Uzodinma should get prepared to face the wrath of Igbo youths. The same youths, but different supports. Let's continue. He said it was shameful that Uzodinma was descending to the arena mainly because of governor's interest in Igbo presidency. According to him, it is now clear that Hope Uzodinma has a single agenda to destroy Igbo land. This has clearly manifested in his sending of military men to Olu, Imo State, where several lives were wasted and properties destroyed. As if that was not enough, just a few days after, he now ordered the arrest and humiliation of Bl0ws Okorocha, a distinguished Igbo man. It is on record that Bl0ws Okorocha has done for Igbo what any other single person was able to do. A visit to Ohaneze Igbo secretary will show a gigantic edifice he single-handedly constructed for Igbo, well befitting a pride of place. It is also on record that even before Bl0ws Okorocha became governor of Imo State, he had already established himself and was already building educational structures and empowering youth here and there. One therefore wonders how a man imposed on Imo people as governor will suddenly wake up and decide to attack Okorocha for no just cause. They're calling him Supreme Court governor. Can you imagine these guys? Let's continue. It appears that the same people who brought this man to power through the back door, the instrumentality of the Supreme Court, are also behind this dance of shame Uzodinma is involved in. But certainly, we are not going to sit down and sit by and watch Hope Uzodinma destroy Igbo land, all in a bid to satisfy the ego of his political masters. He should get ready to face our music. He should get ready to contend with millions of Igbo, home and abroad. Have you now seen? This one too is 1 million. The other one is 1 million. This one is even millions. The other one is 1 million. Let's continue. Igbo youth call for the immediate release of His Excellency Bl0ws Okorocha. He has been released, and demand an end to any further harassment of this noble Igbo leader. We have also reliably gathered that Hope Uzodinma has no single investment in any part of Imo State, not to talk of Owerri. And this is the reason he is not interested in protecting lives and properties. The Royal Spring Palm has been under investigation by EFCC and the matter already in the court. Why can't he wait? The outcome of the court verdict is actually a shame, a vendetta, and a pull-down syndrome by this agent of wickedness called Governor Hope Uzodinma. To say the least, the youth of Igbo will do everything within our purview and to reach to stop this embarrassment being meted on Senator Rogers by Hope Uzodinma and other presidential aspirants. There is no doubt that this act is heinous, barbaric, and abominable by every standard and in every ramification, he declared. And in another same news, David Umahi, the president of Southeastern Governors Forum, has also, called on the two warring parties to please, come into some sort of truce, let there be peace, let there be calm on both parties, and they should look into this matter as brothers and not as sworn enemies. That to cap it up, they are both APC and from the same state. That let peace reign for the sake of the people, that Igbos can actually solve their problems internally without necessarily spreading the dirty linen for the whole public to see, which is actually very true. But looking at this thing critically, 1 million march on a set day march of 21st of March 2021. Another group is saying Bl0ws Okorocha is their man. Why should Uzodinma disgrace him simply because of Presidency 2023 and simply because Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, is actually playing the script of his paymasters by trying to frustrate Bl0ws Okorocha from participating as a presidential candidate come 2023 for Igbos. Whatever the case is, let's meet in that comment section. Let's interact. What's your take? This is really getting very messy. Let's interact, please.